And we're live. Hello, hello. First things first, let me just notify everyone who wants to be notified. All right. So, what are we doing today? Today, we are going to create a text-based user interface in C using ncurses. So, let's get started right away, shall we? Okay. Now, I think I have curses installed. Let me just check real quick. So, include curses. Curses H. Okay, I do. Nice. So, first things first, what we're gonna do is just clear everything here. Okay. So, just to make sure everything still works. Now, I don't know that much about curses, but we're gonna do it together. So, I've got documentation on my other screen here, and basically I'm just gonna refer to it anytime I have any question. So, yeah. So let's create like a little hello world. So ncurses. Oh, it's supposed to be ncurses. I've got curses. Okay. Still works. So, next thing. We need to init the screen, print something, refresh it, wait for user input, and end. Yeah, let me just quickly copy this. Jeez. Okay, I might need to modify the make file a bit. So let's say I know L and curses, I think. Okay, Todd. Okay, cool. So first things first, what we're gonna do is delete this. So init screen. Oh jeez. Init screen. Refresh the screen. End it. And okay. So first things first. Let's draw a little bar over the entire screen. So is there like a way to get the terminal size? Okay, cool, it is. So what we're gonna do is basically first things first, we're gonna get the terminal size, then after we done that, we are gonna draw the header line. So let's see if there is a ncurses draw box. Yeah, here. Following table. Yeah, draw a border around the edges. Yeah, I don't need that. I basically just want like a simple box. What does this do? Terminal height. Yeah. But not used. Okay. Interesting. Let's just something like this. Terminal height is set but not used. Okay. I guess I'll draw the footer line. Okay, makes it happy. Okay, refresh. Wait for a key press. Okay. Okay. So first things first, actually, we need to hide the cursor. And here we need to unhide the cursor, basically. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do now is okay. So really what I want to do is like let's do it like this. So move to 0, 0, then add stir Todd, and then just continue with the like sort of background. So basically for int I is equal to serlen of Todd, something like that. Yeah, basically like that. And actually let's do it like this. Okay. Yep. But before we draw the header line, we actually want to set background color to white and foreground color to black. So start color, Yeah, this is actually what I want. No, it's not actually. Color black, color white. No, what do I want actually? Yeah. Oh, do I want this? No. Color red, something like that. Oh, okay. So I basically want this to be black and this to be white. Oh yeah, this is basically what I want. So I've started with the header line, and then I need some like this basically at char, and I want to move here. Okay, but I'm not sure why my cursor is still around. Oh, interesting. So yeah, basically we now have a fancy little UI, so to speak. It's not much, but it works. Now, let's actually extract this. So void initialize curses, and what we're gonna do is init screen. Let's maybe get like width and height. Something like that. We can start color, initialize everything. Yep. So initialize curses. Okay, everything still works. Now void draw header, void draw footer, and we can just copy this here. We need the width of the screen. Fallen Isus, Sheldy. Yes, indeed. Fallen Isus. Navike fallen bio. Alright, now what we can do is we have width and the height, and basically we can initialize curses, draw header, draw footer, and then refresh the entire thing, and we got this. So basically what does this key let me actually completely delete this. So this returns an int. Let's keep it like I don't know, key to 0 and set it here. Let's do it like this. So basically while true, and handle the key press. So if key is equal to Q, we can break. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm not sure actually if this is gonna work, to be honest, but that's why we're here. We're gonna try it. So I'm pressing some random stuff. Okay, cool. It works. So I can actually do some like switch key case quit. And I can just break out of this. So we're just gonna do some like, I don't know, running is equal to 1. So while running, what we're gonna do is set the running to 0 and break. Yep. All right. So Q. Okay, cool. Now, basically, what I want to do is when I click load, when I click load, I actually want to load from file. Yeah, I'm gonna do it the same way. Load from file. What are we building here for us that joined in late? We are building a to-do app. Let me actually send the GitHub link. And basically, we're doing it in C. The previous version had like a shitty UI, and that's why I decided to switch to using ncurses. So basically, we're just reimagining the UI. The whole functionality is here. It's just that I don't like the UI, and I don't think anybody does actually. Okay. So I put in. So basically, it looks like this now. But what I want to do is, first things first, I want to hide the goddamn cursor. Let's see. I don't know. 0, 0, if that's gonna work actually. Okay, no. Oh, is it? Is it actually working? But it's just like one extra thing. Oh. Oh. Is it gonna be like this? No. I actually want to do it -1. Oh, okay. So this is actually gonna be -1. And hooray, it works. Nice. What the hell is this here? It's a random A. Oh. Oh, it's because, yeah, basically, I forgot to turn off the echo. I should do that. Turn off echoing and enter C break mode. Or no buffer. Yeah, basically. No echo. It's odd. Okay, cool. So, what we're gonna do next is, so I basically want to have like an alert box, which tells me, hey, something happened. So let's actually do that here. Alert const char message. So basically, we're gonna create a new window for this. Draw a border around it, and I literally have no idea if this is gonna work. Refresh the window. Wait for a key press. Delete the window. And yeah, basically when I click this, I want alert loaded, and this might not work. We'll see. Oh, sorry. Okay, click out. Okay, cool. It does work. Albeit it's a little retarded. So basically what I want to do now, and the reason it's stuck there, is that we're not really printing anything on that part of the screen. But let's actually get like int terminal width and height and create it like, I don't know, something like this. Let's see if Copilot is right. Okay. Terminal width and height. Okay, seems to be right for the most part. Okay, border. Yeah, let's try this. Let's see how it works. Okay, cool. So let's see if actually, so what is this? It's an int. Okay. I assume, what does actually this new win do? So ncurses new win. Okay. So basically it's number of lines, which is I suppose like a height. So let's actually do it this way. This is a height. This is something. This is something else. And this is something else. Alright, so this number of lines is actually gonna be +2. 5, so basically 5 lines to add a bit more spacing. What is the next thing? The next thing is the number of columns. So two character, yeah, this is center vertically, and this is actually, I have no idea what this is, so let's see what the last one is. Begin Y. Oh, this is basically where everything begins. So let's see if this works somewhat good. Okay, no. Okay, good. Actually, it's good. So let's actually do it like this. So int window height, window width is actually terminal height -4, window window Y is this thing, and this is window X. So let's make it a little bit more readable, shall we? So we have this. Now we have a border. Now let's say int so what is this? mv print v. Let's see if this is in the man pages. So basically the first thing is the window, the second is something. What the hell? Oh, X and Y. Okay, so message X is 1. Message Y is also 1. So basically, let's say something like this. And we have the message. So basically, let's just do this. And message Y. message X. And this should be the message, right? Right. Let's see if this works. Okay, cool. Now I just want to disable the goddamn cursor, same way I did here. What we're gonna do is curse set to 0, and here it's gonna be fine. Okay, cool. Loaded. Then after that, and we should also add, like, I don't know, write to file, saved, I don't know, loaded, saved. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do is basically print the to-dos, and the way we are gonna do that is display to-dos. Well, how we're gonna do that is basically move underneath the header and just start doing, yeah, something like that. Print, let's say to do h print w title, I suppose. Display to-dos. What? Okay. We don't actually need anything for it. Okay. Now we're gonna display the to-dos. Okay, cool. So basically, before that, before we display the to-dos, we are gonna reset the color. So let's actually reset colors. Can we do that? Can we just do that? I don't think it's gonna work though, but it doesn't hurt to try. Okay, no, it doesn't. So yeah, but yeah, let's basically just do a on in the header, color pair. We can move this here. Let's do it like that. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is, let's say we have a current y is equal to 1, and while current y, and we'll actually need int height, while it's, yeah, something like that. So basically, while we have a height, int current index is 0. So, and the current index, what we're gonna do is move to the current y. We're gonna print the current index and the title, and then we're gonna increment these basically if current index is bigger than or something, and we don't actually remove this completely, we're gonna put in height. Okay, something died. Okay. What we're gonna do now, this should actually be +1. Greg is actually sleeping on the couch right now, so I don't want to bother him too much. Okay, why is this being extra weird? Okay, so we print, okay, the current index. So move to the correct line, increment. If we reach the end of the list, okay, cool. Okay, dot. Okay, loaded. Yep. So oh, I see. I see. So we basically want to do this first. So check if we're out of bounds. So basically, if the current index, basically want to do this here. Okay, cool. Cool. And we'll also print, I don't know, print. You can actually do it like this, to be honest. Cool. And what I'm actually gonna do is also get the width here, terminal width, and so chop of the title if it's too long. Chart title. So we basically have like a title, string, and copy into that title. And then we're gonna print that title over here. It's gonna be allocated. And afterwards we print it, we can actually free it here. And I hope I don't make a segmentation fault. Okay, yeah, I think this is pretty much nice. And let's just for good measure say that the maximum width is like, I don't know, 5 or something, I don't know. Okay, cool. Terminal. Yeah, let's actually make it like, I don't know, 10. And then we are gonna copy width minus strlen, something like that, -1. And then we're gonna append title, so basically something like that. Okay, cool. Let's bring it back here. Terminal width. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna take a quick smoke break right now. But so far so good, to be honest. We are gonna have, let's actually, in case of the default key, Jesus. Case of default, let's just, when will it show us your developments? Maybe some future, yeah, maybe at some point, but currently I'm just showing you a text-based UI interface. So so let's check for like I don't know, I literally have no idea what I'm doing right now. So case, what's the code for like down arrow? Let's do it. Up is K. Yeah, let's just do Vim stuff. Left and right. Actually, K and J seems about right. So let's say, I don't know, int current line is 0, and in case of, I don't know, up current line minus minus, and if it's something like that, okay, case down is current line plus plus, yeah. Oh Jesus. Hi, do you need to allocate the title for every to-do.title? Well, actually not. Yeah, that's quite a good and quite good observation. Let me just finish quickly with this up-down thing, and then we'll update it. But yeah, quite a good observation. I could literally just allocate enough space to copy every title. So yeah, quite a good observation. Thanks. Thanks. So we'll need to pass the current line here, and this is utterly ridiculous, this function, but okay. Int current line. Let's do it right now. So basically what we're gonna do is do it like this. And then copy the title to the buffer, and afterwards we can just free the title. Okay, so now first things first, let's actually init another color pair. So where's the thingy thing? Somewhere here. Initialize screen. Okay. Init pair second color The background is gonna be, I don't know, let's say white, and, oh, let's say green, I don't know. Okay, and then after the footer, we can actually just turn off that color pair, and we can completely remove this ridiculous reset colors function, and then introduce what we're gonna do first is stir and copy title to-dos current title in, let's actually just get like int title length is actually the stir length of this. So basically we want to copy title to from this, and we are gonna take we're gonna take literally width -4. Yeah, so let's do it like this. Const char padding is equal to something like this. And basically what we're gonna do, padding length, we're gonna do width minus padding length -1, and then what we're gonna do, if len of title is, Jesus Christ, my brain just stopped functioning for a second. So basically we have like a title, then we want to copy the title, okay, and then append the padding if needed. Yes, basically if the title length is greater than string of title. Yeah, I think this is gonna be good enough. And unused. Unsigned long. Jesus, really? Unsigned long, I don't know. Sterland title. Current line. Okay. So, if current y is, no, if current index is current line, otherwise turn that shit off. Okay. Okay, cool. And now I should be able to move, but I'm not for some reason. Oh, okay, break. Now. Current line. So why am I doing this? Okay. Okay. Load. Okay. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna just do this, so current line less than equals -1. Okay, something weird just popped up. Okay, cool. I am quite happy with this, to be honest. Highlight the current line. Now, if the current to-do is completed, print it as strike through. Yeah. Okay. So when I click something else, it... Okay, J. How do I strike through? Ncurses strike through, something like that. What the hell? Okay. Now let's try this underline actually. No, I have an idea. No. I have an idea. Okay, so basically, a standout. No, fuck. A underline. Okay, cool. It doesn't work, but cool. And basically, if it's completed, print it as green. Yeah, basically something like this, and let's just change this back to black. Cool. And if it's case mark, we can do it like that, but where's that command handler? Yeah, we can actually just do it like this. So basically we just need the index. Index. And we can actually remove this since we won't be using it. And this can be index as well. And we can just do something like this. So we basically current line, is it? Yeah, it's current line. Hope I don't fuck it up. So I load it. I press M. You seeing this? It's working. And when I close it and load it. It's working. All right. So what I want to do is just make sure I got everything handled properly. So we have like two color pairs. One is like the, actually, you know what? Let's do it like define borders pair, define default pair, define completed pair. Yeah, basically. So what I want to do is, this is like the borders, this is completed, right? And we're gonna want this. Is this correct, actually? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. So when we're initializing, we want the default pair. No, actually we don't. So basically what we want, when we're drawing the header, we want the borders pair. Then we draw the footer, and we want to disable that. Now, after that, when we're displaying to-dos, first things first, we're gonna turn on the default pair, and here let's just do it like this. So if we want to mark it as green, we're gonna do this. Completed pair, yep. And then we're gonna turn off the completed pair and do it like this. I hope it makes sense. Okay. Okay. Mark, saved. Okay, cool. Let's see if that issue persists. Okay, it doesn't. Cool. So I fixed the issue where it's being silly for silliness sake. And actually, let's see it. Like, I don't know. This can actually be here. Unsigned long title length is gonna be this, because I like it better this way. So copy the title, and then what we're gonna do next is what we're gonna do next is we're gonna turn off a underline regardless. So this is a bit cleaner now. And actually we're gonna put it here. Okay, now what we're gonna do next is we really should take care of that this extra screen, but it seems to work quite reasonably well. Now, let's say that the terminal height is like, I don't know, let's make it smaller. Let's see how it handles that. Okay, cool. Let's make it like, I don't know, even smaller. Okay, cool. So next thing we should do is so basically what we need to do now is, let's add like a add command. So I would like need to ask the user for input. So let's create like a little input box or something like that. Where's that? Let's put it here. I don't know. I don't care. Input string, and we would need terminal width, terminal height, and like a buffer, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, let's quickly let's see how this goes. So add command handler. What we basically need to do here is do it like this. Input string. Okay, cool. So these command handlers should actually live after the ncurses stuff, right? Okay. Let's put him here then. I don't know. Let's actually command handlers. Let's put them here. I hope this works. A. No, it doesn't, because I forgot to put it in. Case add. Cool. So I know, add something. Oh, cool, it works. Nice. What we should actually do is width and height. So basically width and height. Okay, cool. Cool, it actually works. So I'm really happy about it right now. Terminal width and height. Okay, cool. Enter to do title. Do something nice. Cool. And actually, we don't need to position it. We can actually just put like, I don't know, terminal width, window Y. I'm happy with it. Message, something. I'm actually quite happy with like not having it halved. Let's say, I don't know, add. Okay. It's actually when +1, I think. Okay. Q. So 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 this is the window height, window Y, window X. Okay, I'm quite happy with this now. If I have time later, I'll fix it. But to be bothered, I just couldn't care anymore. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't be bothered to actually do anything else. So let's basically just now clear. Oh, we actually have like clear. So yeah, let's do it here. I don't know. Clear. Okay, cool. Cool, very cool. And we can add to-dos, like make it even cooler. Okay, nice. And just for this input string, let's just curse set 1 and later not have it there. Hello world. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do next is actually, how much time do we have? We do have some time left. I wouldn't want streams to be like too long, but I'm pretty sure like 2-hour streams are fine, I guess. Let's do it like this then. No, load hello world. Hiya. Okay, so okay, now what we need to do is actually start from that. Okay, cool. So where is the printing display? Okay, so basically we want to do this first things first, and secondly we want to make sure, Jesus Christ, okay, I fucked it up again. So if current OBS notifications, yeah, fuck that, no, go away. Okay, so seems to be working quite well. So basically make clean and make all Todd hello world. Hiya. So basically if I'm out of bounds, I actually want to like reset the offset. So yeah, let's do it like that. Oh, something went quite retarded, interestingly enough. Okay. So what we're gonna do is so we have like a current line. Okay. Now if current line is out of bounds, set it to the last line. No. Current line, no. If current line is out of bounds, start from the offset. So basically if current line, yeah, something like that, I think. Hello world, how you doing? Yeah, let's actually save that. No. What? Oh. Yeah, I'm not overwriting, I'm just adding. Alright, so that's another bug we need to fix. Okay. So what we need to do is if the current line is greater than the height, -2 is current index, is current line, current y. So let's just add it, fix the bugs. Alright, saved. Now I should, hey, how are ya doing? Yeah, so basically if I'm out of bounds, in this case I am, let's just print the current line as well. Okay, something died. Okay. Okay, so now it's 0. What happens actually if I just say like the current line? Yeah, something like that. I know. Current index is current line. Yeah, what happens if I do this? Okay. Well, yeah, something like this. But only if it's less than a height. So what's like the current height that we would need to worry about? So height. So it's 9. And ideally, when I reach like 5, in this case 6, so what we would need to do is actually, if current line is height -2, current index should be something like this, I think. So when I'm 6, I don't know, something like this. Current index of current line. Okay, I'm completely like confused right now because it's not working properly. Oh, Jesus. Start from the offset. So basically, like current index is supposed to be, I don't know, man, even anymore. Load. Okay, cool. It's working now, I think. Okay, cool. Hey, how are you doing? So basically, we would need. Let me first just do something real quick. So basically, if a line is out of okay. So int starting index is 0. If the current line is, or actually let's call it offset, and basically offset is current line, and then current index is current index should be something plus offset, right? So it's the current line. I mean, it works reasonably well. So we have like an offset. Should we actually like pass the offset? Or so if the current line is somewhere in that offset. For example, I don't care anymore. Actually, I don't care. Let's actually just start from that line, to be honest. So make clean, make all, Todd. Okay. Okay, I broke it now. Current, yeah. Yeah, I don't care anymore. This works. I don't care. Let me just I'll fix it at some point, but right now I just don't care that much. Yeah, it looks good enough. Okay. Okay, now let's just fix the loading then. To do. I'll just add like a little to do here. To do. Use an offset or something. Actually, I'll add it to my to-dos. Okay, so first things first. So when we load from file handler, when we load from the file, we actually just wanna clear the current to-dos. So basically this thing. And that should be, I'll just put it like here, I don't know, void clear to-dos, void, I'll just put it here. So basically, where are we now? We are gonna clear to-dos and create like something, I don't know, make clean, make all. Okay, cool. Now the only thing that's left is basically the delete command, and that's pretty much very easy. Case remove from current line. And what is the remove? Yeah, let's just change it to D. And also, when we remove it, let's just change like the current index to so if current line is equal, yeah, let's just do it like this. Make clean, make all. So let's load it like, I don't know. Okay. Okay, now we have this. We don't need this. Okay. So what was the to-do I needed? Okay, use an offset for to-do display. Yes. And padding is basically so this thing. Oh, okay. And also I'll need to fix the padding of the width and add maximum title length input restriction. Yay. Okay. Add arguments. We can do this one now also. So fix the padding of the width and add maximum title length input restriction. Yeah, we can do this actually right now. Use an offset or something. Use an offset or something. Okay. So this save file is actually going to be a global char. Char, I don't know. What's the maximum file name length? Max file name length. File path length. Yeah, something like this. So basically what we're gonna do is char save file max path length. By default is just gonna be this. And basically what I want to do is be able to pass like a path or something. So let's say int argc char argv, and basically if argc, we can do something like this. I don't know. Well, actually, let's just commit this. I'll commit afterwards actually. So basically hello.todd hello saved, and now if I do something like this, it should load from the default file, and this should, okay, cool. frc and string length. Okay, so we can remove the hello Todd because I don't want it anymore, and we can mark this one as complete, boys. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, cool. I hope everyone had a fun time. I know I certainly did. So let's just commit this. Yay. Uses the following dependencies, ncurses, and let me just fetch like ncurses link or something. Yay. Yeah, I'll just put something like this. I don't know. Yes. Add a semi-functional TUI. Yes. Okay, cool. So, yep, that's pretty much it for today. I hope everyone had a fun time. I know I did. This is starting to look as what seems a proper app now. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So see you next Saturday at 16:30 Central European Time, and that's pretty much it. Bye bye.